how to apply F equals ma for an object under an acceleration. Okay, I'll draw a rocket to show you how this works. Now, in this rocket, gases are expelled downward. Gases are expelled downward. So, the force acting on the gases by the rocket seems to be in the downward direction. So, from Newton's third law, there will be a reaction force acting on the rocket in the upward direction. It's known as thrust force. I will mark it. Thrust force. I will mark it from Ft. And what else? Rocket has its own weight, mg. I will mark it. Okay? And I am considering the other air resistance also. Okay? So I have marked it also Fa. Now, I am going to apply F equals ma for this object when it is under an acceleration A to the upper direction. So I have marked three forces: the thrust force, weight, and the air resistance. I have to say something here. Now, if you are going to apply F equals ma for a certain situation to a considered direction, remember this F should be the resultant external force acting on that object to the considered direction. Let's say this F should be the resultant external force acting on that object to the considered direction. So, what is the external force? External force is a force acting on that object by its surroundings. So, here are these three external forces. Let's see weight. What is weight? Even the factor mass m is the internal thing. This weight mg is the external force. You will learn that clearly in the gravitational field lesson. Anyway, from here also when we are in the mechanics lesson also, it's clear even the mass is the internal property, acceleration of gravity. G is the external property. So mg is the attraction force on the rocket by the earth. Weight. So it is the external force acting on rocket by earth. So it's external force. I have marked it. Air resistance. It is also an external force. When rocket is moving upward, the resistance will be created in the downward direction. Okay. And what about this thrust force? I explained it earlier also. I will say it again. When the gases are expelled downward, it is the action force. Force acting on the gases in the downward direction. So from Newton's third law, there will be a reaction force acting on the rocket in the upward direction. So it's a external force. Force acting on the rocket by the gases. It's known as the thrust force. I have marked it. So I have marked the three external forces now. So this F in F equals ma equation, this F should be the resultant force acting on that object to the considered direction. I am applying the equation in the upward direction. So here this F should be the resultant force acting on the rocket in the upward direction. So what is the resultant force? These should be external forces. Yes, these three are external forces. So what should be the external resultant force acting on the system to the upward direction? Ft minus mg minus ma. So Ft minus mg minus fa. Now we have the external resultant force acting on the system to the considered direction is equal to mass into acceleration. That's how you have to do it.